Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can link your inter-citation to your main citation. So if you have an inter-citation like this here, and then if you want to link it to your main citation here, and it's mostly done when you are writing articles for publication, which they mostly demand that. So let me quickly take you through how you can do that. Very simple. So the first thing you need to do is you have to place your cursor here at where you have your main citation. You place your cursor at the starting of your citation. So here you can see my cursor is at where Abbas is. So after placing your cursor here, you go to your inserts, then you go to bookmark. So on your bookmark, you type Abbas. You type the name of the first author, that's the corresponding author. Then you add the year, that's the 2020 here. Or better still, you can add the Abbas and then you add the etal. So the etal means the etal represent the corresponding artist. So you can add your etal here. Then you add the year. That the year is 2020. Okay, so let me tell you this. When you are typing your reference on bookmark, you can't add any special character to it. So as you can see, when I add a special character, I'll add but means no showing. So you have to add your Abbas etal 2020. Then you click on add. Then you come to the next one. So the next one will be Yeboah. Yeboah, as you can see, 2016 here. Then you add. Then the next one is Amponsa. The year is 2020, so you add the etal 2020. No, sorry, I think Amponsa is 2022, so let's change it and make it 2022. And then we have a champion 2019 here. We have a champion 2022, so we have Amponsa 2020. Let me delete this one. So we have a champion 2019, and then the last one is Appear 2021. We have our Appear here, etal 20. Okay, so our Appear is 2021. Then we click on add. So after adding all your reference to your bookmark, the next thing you need to do is you need to go and place your cursor on the first inter-citation. Then you go to hyperlink. So after finishing your bookmark, you go to hyperlink. So in a hyperlink, you go to place this in documents. So you are going to place it in our document. So the first one is Abbas etal 2020. So you just click on Abbas 2020. Alright, so as you can see, we have our Abbas etal. Okay, we have our Abbas etal here. So here you can add your special characters here. Alright, then you delete the old one. Yeah, and then the next one is Yeboah 2016. So you look for your Yeboah 2016. then you separate the ita from the name Yeboah, then you add a special character here, then you delete the old one from there. This one is amponsa, so let me check if we have amponsa here. Okay, so this is amponsa. Alright, so this is how you add your intercitation. So you do it one after the other. So you look for all the intercitation you have here, then you do it like this. So let's quickly check if what we did is right or not. So to check this one, you have to hold your control key and then you put your cursor on any of the reference, and let's see if this reference has been linked to the main reference. So you hold your control key, then you put your cursor here, so you can see the cursor has changed. So let's just click on this one. Alright, so as I click on Abbas, you can see it has taken me to where we have our main reference, where Abbas is. And then if I click on the other one to here, yeah, you can see where it has taken me to. So this is how you link your main reference to your intercitation. So thank you very much for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.